Hi there, I'm G, and welcome to Cozymeal Studios. Today we are making a cookie croissant, also known as a crookie. It is the ultimate decadent treat. Buttery, flaky croissants are fused with the gooey chocolate chip cookie interior for the perfect snack to pair with a cup of hot black coffee. But before we begin, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on that notification bell for more recipes from us. Now, to get started, preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Then line a sheet pan with aluminum foil and toast the flour for the croissant cookie dough. Spread the flour evenly on the sheet pan and toast it in the oven for about 10 minutes, stirring halfway. The flour should be lightly browned and smell nutty. Make sure you remove and completely cool the flour before use. Now, let's prepare the cookie dough. In a mixing bowl with an electric mixer, beat the unsalted butter, granulated sugar, and dark brown sugar together until light and fluffy, which should take about 3 to 4 minutes. Add the pasteurized egg and beat until combined. Stir in heavy cream and vanilla extract. Add the toasted all-purpose flour, baking soda, and kosher salt. Stir until combined. Then add the mini chocolate chips and stir until well combined. Mini chocolate chips are preferred because they allow the chocolate to be more evenly distributed throughout the dough. On a piece of plastic wrap, add the cookie dough and roll into a 2-inch thick log. Refrigerate the dough until chilled, which should take about 30 to 60 minutes. Next, carefully cut the croissants horizontally, ensuring they remain attached on one side. You can create many versions of the cookie croissants by using mini croissants. Slice 1/4 to 1/2 inch thick rounds off of the chilled cookie log. Place 2 pieces on the bottom half of the croissant, spreading it slightly so the entire bottom half of the croissant is covered. Top with a slice of the cookie log, spreading it slightly so that the center of the croissant is covered with cookie dough. Repeat with the remaining croissants. Then bake for 10 to 15 minutes until the crookie is golden brown on top. For a gooier center, bake closer to 10 minutes, and for a firmer cookie center, bake closer to 15 minutes. Then let the crookie cool for 5 to 10 minutes. Dust with powdered sugar, serve warm, and enjoy. If you want the full recipe, then check out the description box below, or head to cozymeal.com/recipes, where you will certainly find this recipe and so much more. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more recipes from Cozymeal Studios. And I don't know about you, but I'm so excited to see what is coming up next. See you again soon.